guys, it's 12:03 p.m. It's a Monday today and gagawin ko tong Lego flowers kasi hindi ko pa nagagawa. Bigay ito ni Maxi last month. It's done. For some reason, kapag ginagawa namin to, lagi may extra na ganito. Tapos wala na siyang lalagyan. So, hindi ko alam for what ba to. Let's go put it dun sa lalagyanan ko. Dami ko ng ganito, guys. Like, I'm collecting. Here. Hindi nakakasya eh. But, let's put it here. Bibili ako ng bagong lalagyan for that. Pwede na ako mag-fidget trade. Guys. Like, ang dami ko ng fidget trade. I have 7 fidget toys. I have this Maltose Squishy. And then, my second favorite, my clickers. Then I have a squishy dumpling. Then, itong tatlong scrunchems na maliliit. Cheese block. And then for the last one, ito yung top 1 favorite ko. Nakarating lang nito kahapon. I've been waiting na dumating to for like 5 days. Tapos kahapon na siya dumating. It's so soft. Kinabahan pa nga ako kasi baka fake yung dumating sa akin. But no, dumating talaga yung coconut oil squishy. Like, see that, guys? Hey guys, it's 4 p.m. exact at magwa-walking na ako sa treadmill. Para naman may nagawa akong something productive today, hindi yung nakahilata lang ako sa kama, di ba? Ito yung socks ko. Tagal na nito sa akin, yung hindi pa nakita. Yung Nike na socks ko. This one. Tapos naka-indicate kung saan pa mo isusuot, left or right. And I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. It's 8:43 p.m. Tapos ako kumain ng dinner. I'm back in my room. And for dinner, ang kinain ko is cheesecake. Actually, hindi ko alam if cheesecake yun. Para siyang, hindi ko ma-explain. Basta cheesecake yung tawag. And then, nilaga. Tapos nag-popcorn ako kasi bumili si daddy ng taters kahapon. And then, gumawa ko ng kape. Ang sarap ng kape na ginawa ko. Feeling ko, actually, dalgona coffee yata yung ginawa ko. Pero hindi ko alam. If dalgona coffee man yung nagawa ko, first time ko makatry ng dalgona coffee kasi hindi ako na-fall dun sa trend na yon nung pandemic. Hey guys, I'm going to eat my lunch. And after this, aalis ako. But it's like raining so hard right now. Guys, ang lakas ng ulan. Boring. Kating-kati na ako umalis. Like, kating-kati na ako umalis. Gusto ko na ng mochi mama. After ko magpa-wax, magmo-mochi mama ko. Finally, humina na rin yung umulan. So, humina na rin yung ulan. So, magtutubrush na ako mabilisan. Tapos magbubook na ako ng in-drive. Tapos aalis na ako. Ang fit ko today ay very chill fit. Very chill fit. As in, parang hindi ako sa mall pupunta. Pero okay lang yan. Magpapawakas lang naman ako. Tapos kalala lang naman. Hindi ko alam if bala kong tumawid ng Trinoma. Pero hindi na ako tatawid if malakas yung ulan mamaya. Iyak ako guys. Lumalakas naman siya. Kakakyat ko lang dito. So, aalis na lang ako mga 2 p.m. Let's hope na kumina na yung ulan ng 2 p.m. I'm done, guys. I'm done. They don't have like cute mugs. I'm so sad. Like, I want a mug for my matcha, but they don't have it. cute mugs or like cute glasses. Ito lang yung meron sila. I just got home. Kauwi na ako from SM and now ayusin ko tong bouquet. Kalimutan ko yung hairspray. Kasi sabi sprayan ng hairspray. So, sprayan natin ng hairspray. Tingnan natin if kagana. I'm using the Lux Organics hairspray. Nag-mochi mama ako sa SM kasi ang tagal ko na yun kinikrave. Actually, mini melts din kinikrave ko. Kaso hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin sila ng flavors na gusto ko. I'm planning to keep like the whole bouquet. Except dito sa wrapper. Ay. Oh! Tumalsik yung petals ng isang rose. Hindi. I know what I'm gonna do. Ilalagay ko yan dun sa lalagyanan ko. Oh my gosh, ang ganda pa naman. So guys, ang init pero ayoko buksan yung fan kasi hahanginin to. Oh, may nahulog ulit. Hindi ko alam saang rose siya nang gagaling. Here's the hard part. Ito yung maraming tape. I have to cut it again and again. Sprayan ko na ba ng hair spray? Ngayon pa lang. Ah! Ang dami natatanggal. Pag ako nakakita ng gumagapang dito, iiyak ako. No! Nahuhulog lahat ng petals. Okay, tatapon ka na yung nahuhulugan, yung wala na natira. No way! Natanggal yung isa sa stem. Saan yung pink roses? Saan yung pink roses? Give it to me. This one's so pretty. Ilalagay ko to sa phone case ko yung isa. Papuno na yung phone case ko. You guys wanna see? It's here. Kuha ko na sa... Nahuhulog lahat ng pink rose. Yung petals ng pink rose. Sabi nila lagyan ng hairspray. So, sige. Ito yung nahulog na petals. Ang dami. So, ilalagay ko yan dun sa lalagyanan ko. And then, yung kukuha ko ng 2 petals para dito sa phone case ko. Diyan na lang. Boom. Solved. Collection of EPs. Hey guys, it's Wednesday today and wala akong ginawa today kundi maglaba and humilata sa mahiwaga kong kama. Yes! I don't know if I showed you guys yung binili ko kahapon sa SM North. Pero kasi dumaan ako sa National kahapon to buy some stuff for school next week. Kasi start na ng pasukan next week. So, bumili ako ng yellow pad and expanding file. I'm gonna show you guys. Kahit feeling ko, alam niyo na yung itsura ng mga yon. Dapat dadaan rin ako sa KKV to buy some pens. Because KKV, they have really good pens, guys. Like, yung gel pens nila. It's less than 50 from what I remember. I got 2 yellow pads. This gray expanding file. Kasi yung ibang color doon, puro red na. Ito lang yung gusto kong color. So, I got this. Bumili ako nito kasi, let's say, may long test or quiz or exam. Hiwa-hiwalay per subject yung quizzes ko. Para hindi nakakalat sa bag ko. Kasi ganun nangyari sa akin last year. Nakakalat lahat ng papel sa bag ko. I have 5 days left. Actually 4 kasi August 10 na yung simula ng pasukan namin. So, sinusulit ko na lang yung pahinga ko. Kasi next week, college student na naman ako. Alam niyo ba guys, ang dami kong pimples sa left side ng face ko. Medyo nakakaiyak. But it's probably because I'm a side sleeper these days. Like, lagi akong sa left side ko natutulog. Dati ako matulog? Like, straight. As in straight, guys. Yung straight back. Tapos, yung kamay ko nasa gilid. Manunod na ako ngayon ng rom-com. Kasi nagtanong ako sa mga kaibigan ko kung anong magandang rom-com panoorin. Sabi nila Life as We Know It, tsaka Blended. Hindi ko alam if nasa Netflix yon. Sana nasa Netflix. It is nasa Netflix. Oh my gosh! Ano to katuloy ng... Huh? Bakit same cast ng 50 First Dates? Akala ko katuloy. Never mind. Grabe. Lumipas na yung summer break, wala pa rin akong driver's license. Milang ba?
Feeling ko hindi lang ako. I just know damn well hindi lang ako. Dapat sabay kami ng kapatid ko pero wala nang nangyari. So, maybe next summer break.
Also guys, if di nyo pa ako fina-follow sa TikTok, i-follow nyo na ako right now at Mary Sandrine.
I'm watching Annie. This is my 5th movie in like 2 days. I watched Pitch Perfect 1 and 2 kaninang umaga. Tapos, Blended, Life as We Know It, and then Annie is my 5th movie. Hindi pala 2 days, 3 days. But basically like 2 days. Kasi gabi ko pinanood yung Blended. I'm gonna prepare yung makeup na gagamitin ko. Yes, Lovejoy Hope. I'm going to do a bronzy makeup look. Where is my mascara? Hindi ako magmamascara ko, pero like sobrang onte because I'm going to use my new lashes. I got new lashes from Fabulash. Then I need this eyeshadow palette ng Vice Cosmetics. You know guys, until today, hindi ko alam paano gamitin to. Hindi ko alam paano gamitin tong color, what do you call this? Basta yung pang color correct na palette ng Get Ready With Me. I still haven't figured out paano siya gamitin. Hey y'all! I just finished filming content. I just filmed the Get Ready With Me video and the transition video. Kasi wala ako sa mood mag-talking video today. Look at the mess sa table ko. So, let's fix it, Felix. Itong lashes ng Fabulash, nung collab with Jose and Marge and Lurge. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Ito yata yung lashes na nagstay up sa mata ko. Correctors. These OVW brushes are so soft. Now I'm going to wash it. I'm going to clean all of my brushes because they're all dirty. It's a lot. It's fun to do my makeup. Like, it's relaxing. It's my therapy. But cleaning my brushes, it's not. If someone can like clean my brushes for me, please do, because it's tiring. This is the only thing I hate kapag nagme-makeup. I have to clean my makeup brushes. Ito, nandito pa lang. Ang dami na agad. There's more. Oh my gosh. Oh my god! Look guys, look! Oh my god!